Think your long password is safe? Think again. Many users assume that a long password means ultimate security, but hackers have ways to break even complex ones. Today, we'll explore why some long passwords are still insecure and the common mistakes people make. Cybercriminals use various methods to break passwords: brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, credential stuffing. A long password isn't always secure if you make these common mistakes, using predictable patterns and using personal information. Want real security? Follow these rules. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Make it long and random. Use a password manager. Enable multi-factor authentication. Just because your password is long doesn't mean it's secure. Avoid common mistakes and stay ahead of hackers.